Hey everyone, okay, so let's talk 3 amazing products from the Inky list. Okay, so let's talk the first one, polyglumatic acid serum. I actually did a whole video on this a while ago. It's a great serum. Basically, it really attracts moisture to the skin. 1 or 2 pumps on the back of your hand. You don't need massive amounts. Just pop it on your gorgeous face and it makes a massive difference. Now, people talk about pilling. It's difficult for me to talk about pilling. I do not wear makeup in everyday life. I haven't noticed any when I do, so I've got no issues with it whatsoever. But generally speaking, I don't love skincare in the day anyway. I like to save it for night, but it does a magnificent job of attracting moisture to the skin. And when you combine it with this, which is the Omega Water Cream, this is lovely. Now, of course, the Inky list is very similar to the Ordinary. The Inky list has a slightly higher price point, but it's not horrific. It's still well within most people's affordable budgets for skincare. And I'm going to apply everything today. Oh, it just feels so nice on the skin. It doesn't smell, there's no irritation in there. And I can apply it everywhere. And my skin is hydrated. And I'm going to do a whole video on something about aging soon, which I hope you all watch because it's really interesting. Finally, going back to the polyglumatic acid, this is the Dewy Daily Sunscreen SPF 50. It is dewy, it is not sparkly, it is not glittery. And under makeup, this looks so beautiful. It gives, when people, oh, you've got a dewy foundation, oftentimes that means it just looks really oily or it's glittery. When they say the word dewy, what they really mean is they put in a ton of shimmer. This gives you a really beautiful dewy finish to the skin. You can matte down certain areas, apply your dewy foundation over this or your matte foundation over this, and guess what? A matte foundation will turn into a natural, beautiful looking, realistic foundation, and a dewy one will give you the ultra glass effect. And then you matte grind the T-zone, because no one wants a shiny T-zone. Well, I mean, if you do, you might want to rethink your life choices, but otherwise. And the irony of this sunscreen, other than the price, which is great, is it's invisible on the skin. There's no white cast. It doesn't feel ultra heavy, despite the fact that we all know the recommended amount is 1.25 mils, which is a lot of product. I believe there's 50 mils in here, so expect this to last you approximately 40 days if you're using the correct amount. Which of course, you are, aren't you? Of course you are. Why would you not? I always use the correct amount. Anyway, it's beautiful. If you want, I will do a rundown of the absolute best Inky list products because this is just a taster. There is so many. But that sunscreen is excellent. There you go. I'll leave the link in the description bar down below for all these products. Let me know your favorite Inkies. We'll see if we can compare. Thanks for watching, beautiful. See you all soon. Bye-bye.